This is Kit.
And this is
The chocolate
break. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
God, I'm so sleepy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have some chocolate.
Okay.
Maybe that'll help.
What you got?
Chocolate.
I approve. Rolo.
I always want to call them Rolos, but I just noticed now it just says Rolo.
You know what else that's like that is Legos.
It's just Lego.
Lego system.
Lego system.
Yeah.
Well, this is creamy caramels wrapped in rich chocolate candy.
See, when you see wrapped, I think of like gift wrapping. These are enrobed.
I know you like that enrobed, saying enrobed.
I always wanted a nice, like, a terry cloth robe. I always wanted one. I never had one.
Oh, too bad your birthday's over.
Yeah. Well, I'd never wear it.
No?
No, I never would. I'd be like, oh, I'm wet. I'm out of the shower. I'm going to go hang out with my kids and my family in a robe. Just sounds jacked up. I don't know. Kind of uneasy about that idea.
Yeah. I don't know that there's really anything relaxing about just hanging out in a robe for me either.
I remember my buddy Tom brought this dude over. It was a trippy dude, and he like lived in a robe. He was kind of like the dude from Big Lebowski. He just like hung out in a robe.
Didn't matter if you knew him or not. He was.
No, he like went out in a robe.
Was he wearing underwear?
I didn't check. I'm guessing he was free balling, you know. But
so you're gonna wear a robe all the
He's
time.
wearing a robe. It's all about comfort, and there's something to be said about comfort. I'm very comfortable. I'm sleepy.
Maybe we should try our Rolo.
Yes, let's have the Rolo product. Notice it has the little dots on top, or the concentric circles.
Flat on bottom.
It's like a little tiny noodle bowl. To you.
Jeez.
What you think?
I like the Rolo. I'll say 3.
Oh. Give it a 1. I don't know. I can't get like super excited over that. It's just like no. 1.
3. Okay. What's next?
I'm gonna give this one
0.
0. And why is that? Those letters right there. That has everything to do with me giving it a 0. It weighs it. Feel the weight on this freaking thing.
That's because it's caramel, peanut, and almond nougat covered with white fudge.
Nougat, a shout out right there to old Stumpy from North Little Rock. the Nougat King. Oh my. And just like, you know, chocolate usually is dark, but just like old Stumpy, this is the only chocolate bar that I've ever seen that's just completely white. Wow. That's unique. Here and in North Little. Anyways, I am reprising my role as wielder of the blade of truth, beauty, and nuance. Yeah, back away a little bit.
It's been a while since
It's been a while.
That. Don't stab your computer screen or me.
No,
And
I'm
don't
very,
chop your
very
finger
leery
off.
of chopping the screen again. Happiness. Truth.
you. That was wonderful.
You think I did good?
Yeah, you did all right.
Here's what it looks like. Choose your pleasure piece. This looks dense. Cheers.
What do you think?
If I was going to rename this bar, I would call it Work and Discomfort. It's very chewy, very dense. There's a lot of chewing involved. And the nuts are definitely not like... They hurt my mouth. Sad mouth.
Sad muggin.
I'm going to give it a... .25.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
Really? It's also just like violently sweet.
It is violently sweet, but it reminds me of like a Snickers bar, but just with like fudge on top of it.
Okay.
Slightly more nougat. And next, let's bring up a little business here. We have someone special joining us
Who?
for this episode.
Who?
His name is Carlos.
Oh my god.
Carlos V, actually.
That's Carlos Rivera.
Just Carlos V. We've got a crown on. V for victory. Victorious.
Wouldn't it be... That one's from Mexico. Wouldn't it be Victorious?
Victor! Is it? Es bueno comunicar.
Yeah, it's from Mexico.
It says Producto de Mexico.
The chocolate break, and I will take the liberty of speaking for you, denounces any racial epithets or activities upon people because of their race that are negative. You be nice. We watch, we see, we denounce. We do.
Right, Carlos Victor.
Good freaking... Oh, Jesus. That's violent.
I just said I didn't like violent, and then I got violent.
I smell poo. Is it Carlos? Scared the crap out of him. Oh, it's a dark chocolate.
No, it's milk chocolate.
Cheers, smell it, it's high cacao.
Well, it's labeled milk chocolate. That's filthy.
It tastes like shit. Oh, and then it's like super smooth. Now it's like, hi, my name is Carlos.
Horrible.
Can I come in your house and just like hang out? But we don't even know you. Yeah, but...
I'm gonna go take a big greasy dump in your toilet and
And
not flush
not
it.
flush it, and it won't go down, and it's just like, can I just use your bathroom really quick? It'll just be a second. Oh yeah, okay, dude. I know how it is. I've been there. I'll be a nice guy. Alright, later. Oh my god, this dude. The plunger it's like the plunger is a mess now. Thanks, Carlos. Thanks.
Yuck. 0. Yuck.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Nestle, but that product is really, really filthy. 0.
It's a very odd texture, though.
It reminds me of the diaper genie when it gets kind of... And that's a horrible place.
That is a horrible,
I don't like
place.
to go there, especially with food.
Nope.
Well,
sorry,
that was 3 for you. That was a treat for you.
Oh.
And now you know things you didn't know before. What a gift we give to you. What a true patriotic gift. To help you all in such ways that we do. Now, I know not just anybody can do what we do. But just know, we do this for you.
Not for us.
Now get to work. Goodbye.